Hello students, last time we have seen variable separable method. Now today we are going to see the next bit, linear differential equation. Now first of all, let us see what is the meaning of linear differential equation, how it is looking. So the differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only, is known as linear differential equation. Differential equation which is looking like this, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are in terms of x only. Z differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q असंच दिसतं त्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला म्हणायचं लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. नाउ एक्झाम्पल बघा, dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to x square. This equation is looking like dy by dx plus py is equal to q. कंपेयर करा, dy by dx ला dy by dx मैच होता है, py something into y, 1 by x into y. p and q should be in terms of x only, ते दोन्ही x मध्येच पाहिजेत. So 1 upon x, x मध्येच आहे, and e is equal to q, e is equal to x square. q हे पण कशामध्ये पाहिजे, x मध्येच पाहिजे. So e is equal to x square, x मध्येच आहे. So this is the example of linear differential equation. दूसरा example पहा, second example, dy by dx plus cot x into y is equal to cosec x. So which is again looking like dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q both are in terms of x. So this is another example of linear differential equation. Now finally the differential equation which is looking like dy by dx plus py is equal to q is known as linear differential equation. Now here one more thing is there. So another definition, it means the degree of dependent variable and its derivative is 1. डिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल म्हणजे y आणि त्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे dy by dx, त्याला पॉवर 1च पाहिजे. y ला पॉवर काही नाही म्हणजे 1 असतात, dy by dx ला पॉवर नथिंग मीन्स 1. असं दिसलं की त्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असं म्हणायचं. Now if the equation is looking like this, then its solution is directly given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. If the differential equation is looking like this, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, असं दिसलं तर directly its answer is given by this formula, y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c, where this integrating factor if means integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx. So p is here, the coefficient of y is p, and the formula of integrating factor is given by e raised to integration p dx. integrating factor ची किंमत या फॉर्म्युलाने काढायचं, e raised to integration p dx, आणि p y च्या शेजारचं असतं, y ला जे मल्टिप्लायर असतो तो म्हणजे p. Now the useful results to find integrating factor are these two: e raised to log star is equal to star and m log x is equal to log x raised to m. e raised to log star म्हणजेच स्टार. सॅम्पल, e raised to log x म्हणजे x, e raised to log sin x means sin x, e raised to log cos x means cos x. So generally e raised to log star is equal to star. This is useful formula to find integrating factor. One more result is useful, that is laws of logarithm. M log x is equal to log x raised to m. Sample, 2 log x is equal to log x raised to 2, or minus 3 log x is equal to, by using this formula, minus 3 log x can be written as log x raised to minus 3. Okay, so these are two useful results to find integrating factor. In short, so once again let us see. If the differential equation is looking like dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q both are in terms of x, then it is known as linear differential equation, and its solution is directly given by this formula: y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. असं त्याचा आन्सर द्यायचा डायरेक्टली, where this integrating factor if ची किंमत या फॉर्म्युलाने द्यायचा. integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx. So by using this integrating factor, we able to find the solution of this linear differential equation. And while finding if, we are going to use these two basic rules of logarithms, that is e raised to log star is equal to star and m log x is equal to log x raised to m. Now let us see few examples. Now the first example, x dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. Keep in mind that dy by dx plus py is equal to q. असंच इक्वेशन दिसायला पाहिजे. So is it looking like dy by dx plus py is equal to q? dy by dx, there is a coefficient x. So first of all we remove that x, and for that we divide throughout by x. Differential equation हे कसं दिसायला पाहिजे म्हणे, dy by dx plus py is equal to q असंच दिसायला पाहिजे. dy by dx च्या शेजारी काहीही नाहीये. इथं dy by dx च्या शेजारी काय दिसतंय, x दिसतंय. त्यासाठी आपल्याला ते x काढून टाकायचं. ते काढून टाकायचं म्हणजे काय करावं लागेल, डिवाइड करावं लागेल. So first of all we divide this equation throughout by x, so that it will look like dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Dividing by x, we get here dy by dx plus x ने divide केलं सगळीकडे y by x. y by x न लिहिता आपण असं लिहूया 1 by x into y, so that it is looking like py. असं दिसायला पाहिजे ना ते py something into y. कळतंय? is equal to x cube upon x. x cube ला जर x ने डिवाइड केलं तर काय राहतं, x square. एक x cancel होतो. So x cube upon x comes x square. So now comparing it with dy by dx standard form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Look here, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, which is looking like linear differential equation. So comparing with standard form, we get p 1 by xy. So p is equal to how much, 1 upon x. E is equal to q. So E is equal to x square. We get x square as q. Now, if the differential equation is linear in y, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, then directly its solution is given by the standard formula, that is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. यानुसार त्याचं स्टँडर्ड आन्सर द्यायचं असतं, where if is equal to फॉर्म्युला दिलेला आहे e raised to integration p dx. Now p is equal to 1 upon x. So integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx. P means 1 upon x, 1 by x dx. And we all know that integration of 1 upon x is log x. 1 upon x से integration काय असतं, log x असतं. So if comes e raised to log x. e raised to log x. मगाशी आपण एक फॉर्म्युला पाहिला होता, the basic rule, that is e raised to log star is nothing but star. So by using that formula, we got e raised to log x as x. So therefore if is equal to x. Now finally solution 1 becomes, हे इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टरची किंमत जे x आले ना, तर ते इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये ठेवायचं. So therefore if is equal to x, put the if is equal to x in equation number 1, differential equation. The solution जे आहे त्या इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये ठेवायचं. So equation 1 implies, or solution 1 implies, y into x, if is equal to x is equal to integration q. Q means x square into if is equal to what, x. So x square into x dx plus c. Now final answer, yx as it is equal to x square into x becomes x cube. and integration of x cube is x raised to 4 upon x raised to 4 upon 4. So plus c as it is. So finally xy is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 plus c be its a solution. Now these are few similar examples by using again the same thing, dy by dx plus py is equal to q च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणायचं आणि सोडवायचं. हे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. Look here, x dy by dx plus y is equal to x square. Again the same problem is there. Instead of x cube there is x square. We first of all divide throughout by x and solve further. Look, this equation x divided by dx plus y is equal to x raised to 4. Again it is looking like the same example. We are going to divide throughout by x. Now look at the fourth one, that is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x. So already this is in linear form, no need to divide throughout by x. याला x ने divide करायची गरज नाही है, because already it is in the standard form, dy by dx plus py. Here y by x means 1 by x into y is equal to q. So by using this formula, y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus c, we can solve all the three examples. Next example, x into dy by dx minus y is equal to x square. Is it looking like standard form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q? Not at all. Because of this x, it is not in standard form. Here equation dy by dx plus py, हे dy by dx plus py is equal to q असं दिसतंय का? दिसत नाही. कोणामुळे दिसत नाही? x मुळे. So divide throughout by x. x ने सगळीकडे divide करा. By dividing throughout by x, we got dy by dx minus as it is. x ने divide केलाय, so it comes minus 1 by x into y is equal to x square divided by x comes x. x square ला जर x ने divide केलं तर x येतं. Now it is looking like the standard form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. आता हे standard form सारखं दिसायला लागलंय. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Comparing, we get p is equal to the coefficient of y is p. y चा multiplier म्हणजे p असतो. So इथं y चा multiplier कोण आहे? minus 1 upon x. So p is equal to how much? minus 1 upon x and is equal to q. is equal to साइनच्या पलीकडे जे असतं ते q असतं. So q is equal to how much? x. Okay, so p is minus 1 by x and q equal to x. So finally its solution, its answer is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into if dx plus c. So this is the standard solution of this linear differential equation, where integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx. if ची किंमत e raised to integration p dx या सूत्राने काढायचं असतं. It is equal to e raised to integration p means minus 1 upon x dx. So we keep this minus sign as it is and integration of 1 upon x. 1 upon x चे integration हे log x असतं. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. Keep this minus sign as it is. Now look here. It is e raised to minus log x. Minus log x means minus 1 into log x. Minus log x means minus 1 into log x. Now by using this formula, look here. M into log x is equal to log x raised to m. This m goes to power of x. हा m जो आहे तो x च्या पॉवरला जातो. By using this formula, this minus 1 into log x can be written as log x raised to minus 1. हे बेसला e आहे तसं राहू दे. Base e as it is. So finally it comes e raised to log x raised to minus 1, which is looking like e raised to log star. And last time we have seen that e raised to log star is nothing but star. So e raised to log x raised to minus 1 is nothing but x raised to minus 1. And x raised to minus 1 means 1 upon x. Laws of indices, power rules. X raised to minus 1 means 1 upon x. So in this way, we got integrating factor as 1 upon x. अशा प्रकारे आपण if ची किंमत 1 upon x असं मिळवलो. So हे 1 upon x ही जी किंमत आहे ते solution 1 मध्ये ठेवून टाकू. So put the integrating value, integrating factor is equal to 1 upon x in the solution number 1. We got y into if means y into if is 1 upon x is equal to integration as it is q means x. Okay, and if means 1 upon x dx plus c. So look here, x into 1 upon x get cancelled. So integration of 1 remains and integration of 1 is x plus c as it is. Finally, its answer is y by x is equal to x plus c. So similarly, we can solve these two examples. X divided by dx minus y is equal to x cube and x divided by dx minus y is equal to x raised to 4. Only the difference is here x square is there, here x cube and x raised to 4 is there. By using the same method, we can solve these two examples. Next sum, dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to cosec x. Obviously, it is in standard form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. No need to divide anything. So dy by dx plus y cot x can be written as cot x into y is equal to cosec x, which is in standard form. Standard form मध्ये येते dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Comparing with standard form, we got p is equal to cot x and q is equal to cosec x. Standard form ची compare करा, py cot x y, p म्हणजे किती मिळतं cot x is equal to q is equal to cosec x. q ची किंमत cosec x. So this is the standard solution of linear differential equation. हे standard answer द्यायचं असतं y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus c, and where if can be written as e raised to integration p dx. if ची किंमत e raised to integration p dx असं काढायचं. So it is equal to e raised to integration of p means cot x. So integration of cot x dx. So look here, integration of cot x, which is standard formula, cot x integration, it is log sin x. So integration of cot x is given by log sin x. Now it is e raised to log star is nothing but star. So e raised to log sin x, nothing but sin x. So in this way, you have got integrating factor as if as sin x. Now solution 1 implies put the value of if in solution number 1. So y into if. So y into if means sin x is equal to integration q. Q means cosec x. Cosec x into if. If means sin x dx plus c. So sin x into cosec x. Cosec means 1 upon sin. Cosec x म्हणजे 1 upon sin x. Cosec x is a reciprocal of sin x. So cosec means 1 upon sin. Cosec x means 1 upon sin x into sin x dx plus c. So this sin x and upon sin x get cancelled. Sin x and sin x get cancelled. It comes integration of 1 dx again. So integration of 1 is x. Integration of 1 किती असतं? x असतं. So final answer is y into sin x is equal to x plus c. So similarly, we can solve this one. dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to cos x. Parallel example आहे. इथं y cot x आहे, इथं y tan x आहे. या एक्झाम्पलच्या रेफरन्सने आपण हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकतो. With reference of this example number 8, we can solve this 9th example. Right? Next one. 1 plus x divided by dx minus y is equal to e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x bracket square. No doubt it is not in standard form. हे standard form मध्ये नाही आहे. Because of this 1 plus x, it is not in dy by dx plus py is equal to q form. So we divide throughout by this 1 plus x. 1 plus x ने सगळीकडे divide करून घ्या. We got dy by dx minus 1 upon 1 plus x into y is equal to e raised to x as it is. 1 plus x bracket square get divided by 1 plus x. It comes 1 plus x. 1 plus x bracket square ला 1 plus x ने divide केलं तर एक bracket cancel, एक bracket शिल्लक. So it is e raised to x into 1 plus x remains. Now it is in standard form. Comparing it with the dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Compare करा. We got p as a coefficient of y. P is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x and q is equal to e raised to x into 1 plus x. Now this is usual standard result, standard formula of solution of linear differential equation. Y if is equal to integration q if dx plus c, where if is equal to e raised to integration p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration p means minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Look here, integration of minus 1 upon 1 plus x dx. It is equal to e base as it is. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x is given by log of 1 plus x. 1 upon 1 plus x चे integration असतं log of 1 plus x. So keep this minus sign as it is. So it comes e raised to minus log of 1 plus x. Now again it is looking like minus 1 into log of 1 plus x. By using laws of logarithm, this minus 1 goes to power of this 1 plus x. So it is equal to e raised to log of 1 plus x raised to minus 1. This minus 1 goes to power of 1 plus x. It comes log of 1 plus x raised to minus 1. Now it is e raised to log star. It is looking like e raised to log star, which is nothing but star. So it is equal to 1 plus x raised to minus 1, which is again laws of indices. 1 plus x raised to minus 1 means 1 upon 1 plus x. 1 plus x bracket is to minus 1 ची किंमत 1 upon 1 plus x असं असतं. Now finally, in this way we got integrating factor as 1 upon 1 plus x. So now therefore solution 1 becomes y into if, means y into if is 1 upon 1 plus x is equal to integration q. Q means e raised to x into 1 plus x, e raised to x into 1 plus x into integrating factor, and if is 1 upon 1 plus x dx plus c. So look here, 1 plus x get cancelled. Finally it comes integration of 1 plus x cancel, e raised to x remains. हे cancel झाल्यानंतर काय शिल्लक राहतं? e raised to x remains, and integration of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. So finally y upon 1 plus x is equal to e raised to x plus c be its solution. Now similarly we can solve the 11th one. 1 plus x divided by x minus 5 is equal to, only the difference is here e raised to x is there, here e raised to 3x is there. In the end it comes e raised to 3x into the same thing. Its integration is given by e raised to 3x upon 3. Okay.